The holiday season is behind us, but that doesn't mean giving season has to be over. Presents for Paws has extended its giving tree for local animal shelters, including Boardman Rescue. Every Dog Matters. So joining us this morning, we have Jessica Fines and Missy Schmidt from Every Dog Matters, along with Noodles, to share how we can give back. I want to learn more about Noodles, ladies. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for
having us. So who do we have here?
This is Noodles.
She's one of our newer dogs into the rescue.
We've had her for a couple weeks.
Okay. Well, we want everyone to see her face. I want to see if we can turn her around. How old is Noodles?
Under two.
Under two. Okay, what kind of dog?
We think she's a little bit of pit, maybe a bully. She's got the cutest little underbite.
She's a little underbite.
And she's the sweetest
She's
dog.
very sweet.
Yeah, she just walked right in here, said hello to everyone. I haven't heard her bark yet.
No, not yet, not at all.
Wow. So let's just talk about Every Dog Matters and this extension with Presents for Paws. How special is this extension to you guys? It really makes a difference, right?
It does. After the holidays, obviously, the donations slow down, and we obviously bring more dogs in because of the cold. So it's definitely, it will help us get to spring, and so it is a huge part of us.
Our shelves stocked with food and things that we need for them. Definitely.
And let's talk about that impact a little bit more. There's an event coming up where we can help give back. But how do the funds directly impact and help Every Dog Matters Rescue?
A huge cost is the vet care that we do. So we pull dogs in who may have Lyme or heartworm or anything like that. Some don't have any vaccinations or neuter. So anything like that.
Yeah, and it helps you guys bring in more dogs.
Correct.
Help more dogs.
Right.
And let's talk about the fundraiser at Davidson's restaurant. How can we join in, have a little fun, and give back?
So there will be a basket raffle. There's baskets, there's gift cards, gift certificates. So that'll go to a couple of the local rescues. It's $10. It is on Sunday, January 25th. And the drawing will be at 2 o'clock.
I love that. And Noodles, you guys mentioned, is adoptable, right? Or
Absolutely.
It's up for adoption, absolutely.
So how do we go about doing that? What's the process?
So you would go to our Facebook page or our website, and you can apply. You could apply to foster. We are in desperate need of fosters.
Foster to adopt. I mean, I was a foster fail. So it was Jenna has been a foster fail. It's okay. It's okay to fail.
Yeah. Anyone with a heart, big enough and
absolutely. Open your home and absolutely.
Yeah, and let's talk about that a little bit. I think some people, they resonate with that. I don't want to be a failure. Like, this is a cute dog. I don't want to disappoint him. What do you have to say to those people who they just won't try because they're nervous to let the dog down?
To me, like, especially with my sister, like, I was like, I don't know if I can volunteer and do that, but it's nice to be, and I think they can attest to being able to be a part in their journey, to help them get back to, some sort of normalcy with them.
They learn to trust.
They learn to trust again, and they learn to love, and that's
It's important.
It is, because you don't know where their backstory a lot of the time.
That's it. Well, let's try to show Noodles' face one more time before we let you go. Let's point it toward the camera and give everyone the details for the event. Let's throw the graphic up.
There you go. There you go.
All right, so January 25th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Davidson's Restaurant in Boardman. And if you would like to donate year-round, just go to their website, everydogmattersrescue.org. All right, thank you, ladies, for joining us.
Thanks so much for having us.
Thank you,
Thanks for having us.
Hopefully, we found you home. I'm sure someone out there want to take you home. All right, coming up next, we're heading back out to Ascent Pickleball, where you